Hey everybody, how you doing? AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. I have been jam-packed here. I've got Ameritrons, I've got another Heath kit. I have the parts to do the Heath kit tomorrow. I've been doing outside yard work. I've been doing service calls, other projects. So I've been super busy here. So I had to order a perf board for this. I'm waiting on that for the rectifier assembly. I went ahead and installed the high voltage meter, 0 to 8 kV DC, the new Ohmite 100K 100 watt bleeders / equalization resistors. The junction of the four will be tied back to the center of the two caps that will be wired in series. I'll go over everything when it's all done. I got the resistors, the dropping resistors for the meter in there. The rectifier will go over here. The 10 amp 1 kV diodes, I have to drill out the perf board, mount all of them. The two 20 ohm 300 watt Ohmite core rib resistors that will be in series will be over here on standoffs. So it's coming along. So once I get those things mounted, then I really just get this thing done. I've just had so much to do. This has been a non-money maker. It takes so much time to do something like this. I don't think people really understand. I have so much amplifier repair work, service call work, and other stuff. I mean, I love doing this. I'm still going to do 80 through 10 meter amps, but the time frame will be different. This kind of tied me up because I was promised by the transformer manufacturer a month on the completion of the transformer. Ended up taking over 3 months. So I was hoping to get this done before I moved. So it really threw me through a loop, having to move it here and then, do all that. So that's about it for now. So all that'll get cleaned out and all that, and it's coming along really nice though. So just keep adding more and more weight to this thing. So once again, the blower is going to hang down from a piece of aluminum that is 1/8 of an inch thick, and the RF deck will sit on top. You'll see all that when it's all done. And that hole right there is not an extra hole. That's for one of the grounding studs. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tomorrow I should have a video of a Heathkit SB220 posted. We're working on lots of Heathkits, so thanks for watching. AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119, 73.